Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host on Intellect Digest, and Xiaomi has recently cut the prices of Mi 4 considerably to 15,000 rupees in India. After this price cut, Mi 4 has become a better value for money. The closest competitor to Mi 4 is the OnePlus One from OnePlus, and in this video we are going to compare them head on and find out which is a better value for money. Let's get started. I'll start with the pricing of these two phones, and the pricing changes from time to time. On the time when we are making this video, Mi 4 is selling for 15,000 rupees, whereas OnePlus 16GB variant is selling for around 19,000 rupees, which is a good difference of around 4,000 rupees. And both the phones are on open sale, and there is no flash sale model for either of these phones as of now. Talking about the design, these phones differ vastly when it comes to design. The OnePlus is made up of high quality polycarbonate materials and uses Gorilla Glass at front. It is a taller, larger display phone and comes with a slimmer profile compared to the Mi 4, which is a smaller phone and is made up of metal and glass material. Looks much more premium when it comes to build quality and is smaller with a 5-inch display and feels much more condensed and heavy. It is not as slim as the OnePlus feels because it is slimmer at the edges and feels much different in hand compared to the Mi 4. If I have to pick between these two based on the design, I find Mi 4 more attractive. Talking of the display quality, both these phones come with very good quality displays. They are both full high definition, but with a higher 5.5-inch display size, the display density or pixel per inch density is better on Mi 4 with 441 pixels per inch compared to 401 pixels per inch. But besides that, there is no pixelation that we notice on the OnePlus, and they both look very good in terms of quality. When it comes to performance or specifications, they both get Snapdragon 801 chipset. They both get 3GB of RAM, they both get 16GB of internal memory, and they both support USB OTG pen drive support. So in terms of performance, they are very similar, but when it comes to software interface, they both run very different software. The Mi 4 runs Xiaomi MIUI 6, whereas the OnePlus runs Cyanogen mode or Oxygen OS. You can choose between these two and have a much different user experience on the OnePlus. When it comes to camera quality, both the phones are very impressive, but I find that in rear camera department, the OnePlus does a better job, captures more detailing and has better aperture and bokeh effect compared to the Mi 4, which is not far behind but is not as good as we find it on the OnePlus. But when it comes to front facing camera, the Mi 4 with 8 megapixel front facing shooter and wide angle lens gives us a better result compared to the OnePlus, which seems slightly lacking compared to the Mi 4. The rear cameras on both the phones support up to 4K video recording, and they are equally capable when it comes to making videos. When it comes to battery life, they both have almost identical battery size of 3100 mAh, a slightly lower 3080 mAh on the Mi 4. But that does not make much of a difference. But in practical life scenarios, we have found that OnePlus One provides better battery life overall compared to the Mi 4, which is because of the software optimizations. One more difference worth noting is that Mi 4 is still running Android KitKat underneath the MIUI that it runs on top, whereas the OnePlus on the other hand has got Cyanogen Mode 12 update or Oxygen OS, which both run on Android Lollipop, which is the newer version of Android. Both these phones have more similarities than differences when it comes to specifications and the capabilities that they offer. But if I have to pick one between these two, I would pick Mi 4, and the reason being that at the price point of 15,000 rupees, it makes much more sense. It uses metal in the design, it uses an infrared blaster which lets you control television etc, which is an extra feature that you get here. It feels much more premium and smart in hand. It comes with more software features compared to the OnePlus when it comes to features like the sunlight display. It gets a better front facing camera, whereas the rear facing camera is slightly better on the OnePlus One. So summing up my comparison, the Mi 4 looks like a clear winner here. This is all we have on this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button below, and for more such videos from Intellect Digest, make sure to hit the red subscribe button. I hope to see you on my next video. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.